American actress Doris Day once said, middle age is youth without levity and age without decay. The age group between 40 and 60 can be considered monumental in shaping a person's life trajectory. Be it personally or professionally, successes and failures can really affect the rest of their life in a major way. This is also the time people tend to ignore the needs of their body. As Bob Hope rightly said, middle age is when your age starts to show around your middle. Jokes apart, middle age is the time when the body needs a lot of attention and maintenance. But who am I to talk about it? I'm merely the host for today's episode. However, I have with me two yoga experts who can talk all day about this topic. So, without further ado, I welcome you to explore the next stop on the Yogavaidhyam Express, middle age. Yogavaidhyam Express is the first podcast conducted by Yogavaidhyam where we are discussing how yoga plays a role across 7 stages of life. Yogavaidhyam is a yoga venture started 2 years back by Madam Srividya, a yoga professional, and she's here with us today. Welcome back, Madam Srividya. We also have with us Dr. S. Anand, an expert senior health consultant who has been consulting for many public sector manufacturing industries and software industries for the past 12 years. He has been the director of yoga studies at Alpha Yogalaya for the past 4 years and is a senior consultant in the Department of Yoga Therapy at the Hyundai Group of Hospitals. It is an honor to have you with us on this podcast, Dr. Anand. In your experience, what do you see as the main health concerns that arise in people of this age group?
Thank you for inviting me to share a few experiences and ideas about yoga therapy, and also the problems and challenges which the age group between 40 to 60 face. So, friends, you are all well aware the age 40 and 60 is like people are mostly in a family, and India is undergoing a lot of transition. We have a lot of nuclear families, so the burden on the men and women is very high in this age group between 40 and 60. Apart from the rising cost, which is an economic burden, also people have to work not just 8 hours or 9 hours like earlier days. They are now forced to work for 12 to 15 hours a day, and both the parents are also working, and the kids are at the mercy of the caretakers at home, like in any other western urban society. So what are the main challenges faced by an 40 to 60 year old male? Lifestyle diseases, definitely BP, diabetes is on rise. Living in a city, urban place is increasingly becoming difficult because of lack of space and ventilation. So definitely there is a problem of wheezing, asthma, and immunity related issues. Also, the major problem which I come across for the past 5 to 6 years is people have very less time to sleep. Insomnia is become a way of life. People are using gadgets, and they are also having very less time to take care of themselves. So they sleep around 1 a.m. in the morning and get up around 6 a.m. in the morning. So it's hardly 5 hours of sleep. Equally, women have the another burden of having some problems in their menopause or menstrual cycles, and if they are having kids, there are other issues like they need to take care of the wellness of the family, and also try to earn and support the family in a different way. So the stress is double stress for women, and in their own way they have some health issues in their uterus, and menstrual hygiene and menstrual health. So this is the what I find in an urban place like in Chennai. Thank you.
Thank you for your insightful inputs, Dr. Anand. I'm sure our listeners will have a lot to think about now. Perhaps some of them might start reconsidering their lifestyle choices. Thank you for enlightening us. How does yoga therapy help a person in this age group of 40 to 60 years to face the challenges of today?
Yoga therapy is a derivative of yoga and it's very customized to the individual and the settings in which they are living. So, friends, my solution to people in this age band 40 to 60 is you need to just practice 15 to 20 minutes of yoga therapy exercises, which involves pranayama, involves asanas, involves some relaxations, also some changes in their diet, and also some changes in their attitudes and behavior. So it just very customized program where definitely the quality of life is at focus. It helps you to prevent you from getting into the lifestyle diseases like BP and diabetes. Also, yoga therapy can be customized to the individual who is approaching for a solution to face these challenges. Also, for the women in this age group between 40 to 60, they need to also practice around 15 to 20 minutes of yoga therapy. And again, it can be again customized either to do if they are a homemaker, they can practice around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, or if they are again a breadwinner of a family or supporting their husband in their entrepreneurship or business, they can also practice late evening before their dinner also. And the focus of that yoga therapy again can be helping to work on their hormonal cycles, their sleep patterns, and also many women are also having now problems with being more, as we know that Indian women are more prone for breast cancer. So yoga therapy can also work in a way to prevent these things by using various pranayama techniques, and it helps in improving their quality of life. Thank you.
There you go, dear listeners. Yoga is the way to go. Try to carve out 15 to 20 minutes every day for the maintenance of your body and mind. Thank you, sir, for your time as well as your valuable inputs about yoga and yoga therapy. Hope you join us again in future podcasts. Srividya, how has your experience been in teaching middle aged people?
I had the privilege of working with an NGO exclusive for women called Pennala, where I worked with the patients of breast cancer post surgery. Being the second highest non communicable disease of the country, it needs a lot of care to curtail it. The agony experienced by the women with school and college going children is unexplainable. Apart from the pain caused due to the chemotherapy and the financial burden caused due to the cost involved, the mental torture experienced by the patients when facing their relatives and having a girl at marriageable age are a pitiable sight. I have seen patients postponing their next dose of chemotherapy due to financial constraints, resulting in health complications. All these deteriorates their immune system. For any ailment, it is the courage and strength of the patient that works from within to cure the ailment and improves the immune system. Yoga therapy permits suitable modifications of classical yoga postures to address the need of the student, and I could design the course plan suitable to the body constitution of the care seeker.
Thank you for enlightening and informing us about the options available for treating our body when facing different kinds of health issues. Dear listeners, hope you made note of the importance of yoga at this age. If you think you need yoga therapy or have a parent, sibling, cousin, or friend who can benefit from yoga therapy, share this episode with them. Be a part of the change. Until next time, take care and bye.